So it's yet another day of judges and lawyers absolutely destroying Donald Trump and his legal team in a court of law. It is so good to see this justice happening day after day after day. And this applies again to lawyers like Sidney Powell, who said in court that they didn't really lie about the election because after all they did was trust Donald Trump. They're basically chucking Donald Trump under the bus, saying, why would Trump lie? If Trump lied, we had no reason to expect he would, and so therefore it's his fault. But the fact of the matter is, and I want to read you an excerpt here, that doesn't excuse someone from basic critical thinking, and it doesn't excuse professionals in particular from actually doing their jobs. And it notes here that many Americans believe that Santa Claus, the Easter Bunny, and the Tooth Fairy are real, but that does not protect an attorney who filed a frivolous lawsuit based on affidavits purportedly signed by one of them. Fink also argued that federal law does not make exceptions for attorneys who rely on the ignorance of others or the unsupported claims of a defeated presidential candidate. And so what that's saying is that Donald Trump and his idiotic, bald-faced lies are not a defense in court, either of Trump himself, certainly, or any of the lawyers who defended him. Because let's be clear, no reasonable person should have ever believed Donald Trump's lies, even his supporters. But you could understand someone who doesn't have a legal education, who doesn't have a lot of time to go over the data themselves. They watch, OAN, Fox, Newsmax 24/7. They might get tricked. They still have a responsibility to admit they are wrong and do better, but they're not lawyers. Sidney Powell, Lin Wood, all these people, they are lawyers. They are actual people who went to law school, who practiced the law, and who always knew better. And either they're lying in court right now and should be charged for perjury, or they threw their entire legal education and their entire critical thinking capacity out the window to just believe Donald Trump because he was their guy in the White House. And you're seeing it even still. Lin Wood just yesterday, folks, lost another court challenge on Donald Trump's behalf to try and challenge Georgia from 2020. And it says, the appeals court agreed with the district judge that Wood lacked standing to even bring the lawsuit, saying that he demonstrated nothing more than a textbook generalized grievance that is insufficient for Article 3 standing. Wood is still facing legal sanctions in Georgia. And so you can see this. This is every day a open, blatant defeat of Trump and his crony lawyers. There's nothing more evidential right now in how you can go at Donald Trump than these filings, because they prove more than anything else that he was a grifting liar after he lost that election, and he still won with his fraudulent claims. Because all of these lawyers, when they are in court, when they are there fighting for their licenses, like Sidney Powell is and other lawyers are, they are trying to say that I never actually made the claims I made, because they know that if they admit what they actually said is what they said, they're going to lose their law licenses or get suspended or severely fined. Donald Trump is still losing every day in court, and his stupid lawyers are Exhibit A.